Hi, my name is Megan from Shaler Honda. I'm one of the sales consultants here, and I'm here to show you a bit about this passport today. I'm going to show you a few things about getting into the car, how you can unlock it, remote start it, everything like that as well. So first thing, I'm going to show you how to get into it as well. So basically, simple as easy. You're going to hit the unlock button on the key fob, once to unlock the driver door, twice to unlock all of the doors in the car. So on the 23 Passport, there's a little button here on the door. That's going to lock the vehicle. But to unlock it, all you have to do is stick your hand in the door handle and pull. And it'll unlock the driver door and you can easily get in your car as long as the key is within proximity of the car. So to remote start your Passport, what you're going to do is you're going to press the lock button first. And then you're going to press and hold down on the circle button with the arrow. You'll see the indicators flash and the car will start. It'll stay running for about 10 minutes, or you can turn it off with the same button, press and hold it, and the car will turn right off for you.